Howdy there, guys. I'm here at Newport Road today, milepost 34.4 on the CSX Old Main Line. We are expecting any moment loaded coal train, N784. Hopefully it gets here before the storm. It's supposed to be somewhat bad here. But anyways, we have up front leading 5460 ES40DC, followed by 7217, a CM44AH, rebuilt from an AC44CW. I forget the exact number of AC44CW the locomotive it used to be, but I can drop that in the description for you. And finally, last but not least, most importantly, always save the best for last, we have 4528, an EMD SD70MAC rebuild, trailing 3 of 3 on this coal train. Knowing CSX, there will not be any back DPUs. It's 478 axles, so it'll probably be 115 cars, 3 locomotives. Should be here momentarily, guys. So I'm going to pause this and get back to you when there's a train. Okay, guys, it should be here any minute. I just heard it at Watersville not that long ago. We'll, looking way down the tracks there. I turned off my super steady, nice Samsung feature. That way I can zoom in a little further, hopefully get a little bit better of a shot. And it looks like the rain's holding off long enough that I don't have to go Philip Lee style on you guys and film from the truck. But yeah, we'll see. Definitely hear it now. Should be way back there. Zoom you in a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna look grainy, but here you go. Here go the crossings, guys. Loaded coal, 115 cars bound for Curtis Bay Yard over there in Baltimore. Also, those tracks go up and down. It's really flying here, guys. Going into Mount Airy, the trains typically are going pretty slow because it's a steep grade, but now going down the back side of the grade, as you can see, it picks up a great deal of speed. It's on its brakes, but it's flying. There's the end of it already, guys. it goes, everyone. Right over Woodbine crossing. It should be Morgan any minute. Stay safe, everyone out there. If you see anyone trespassing, call 1-800-232-0144. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a wonderful day.